Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 13th of October 2024. I'll be going over week 40's results for the S&P 500, the SPY's front testing strategy day open day close. Now, on the 7th of October, we had a sell signal where we made a profit of $6,328. On the 8th, we had a buy signal where we made a profit of $5,010.5. However, on the 9th, we made a loss of $7,251.56 or 0.694% off of a sell signal. On the 10th, we had a sell signal where we made another loss of $648.36 or 0.064%. And the last day, on the 11th, we had a sell signal where we made a loss of $6,350.47 or 0.613%. Now, our cumulative portfolio return went from 3.825% to 3.542%, and our alpha went from minus 11.194% to minus 12.635%. So this week was a pretty loss-making one for this strategy. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.